Trouble 2, you can update my location of 1st Street in US 1. I'll go on the other side. How you doing today, ma'am?
I'm good.
Good. I'm Deputy Christine Greer with the Indian River County Sheriff's Office. The reason why I stopped you is because the registered owner to this vehicle has a suspended license, and there's a suspension on the license plate. Do you have your driver's license on you, ma'am? What was that?
A simple question. That's where everything begins. The officer asks for a license, and you can already feel the hesitation. It's not aggression yet, it's uncertainty. And look, we've all had moments like this, when we know something isn't right, and instead of being clear, we stall. But confusion in high-pressure situations doesn't just stay confusion, it quickly turns into risk. This moment right here, it's small, but it sets the tone for everything that follows.
Is this your vehicle or your husband's vehicle? Whose vehicle is this? Yours? Your family's? Okay. Miss Paul, do you have the insurance and registration for this vehicle?
It's in my husband's car.
It's in your husband's car, so you don't have those documents, ma'am? They're over at the home? Okay, so not in the car? No? Okay, 1 second, I'll be right back. So, I see this car in front of me, I'm just running tags. I run it and it says suspended, FR suspension on the license plate, and FR suspension on the driver. Okay. As I come up to here, I introduce myself. It's not the same person.
Okay.
I'm sorry. It's a guy that's on the registration. It's her husband. So I ask her, you're driving this vehicle, can I please see your driver's license then? She hands me the driver's license. Her driver's license has been suspended longer than his has been suspended.
Okay.
She cannot produce the insurance and/or registration. She says the husband has it. Am I still okay to give her a citation?
Does it say FR, does it say tax suspended on e-site?
Yes.
Does it say no insurance on file?
We'll run this one more time. Yeah, it says no insurance on file.
So you're trying to verify too if the car has insurance.
And she cannot produce me insurance. Or produce to me the insurance. She says her
check
husband.
if it's canceled.
Just run the tag. On David. Yeah, because she has her own vehicle. It's not this vehicle.
Whose profile is that?
That's the vehicle's.
So go on, scroll up and do the register owner. What's the register owner?
Her husband.
Yep. And then go down on the insurances.
Oh.
And then, yep. Then it'll say if it's canceled.
Canceled.
Yep. That's for that car?
No, it's 2001 Ford, 2015 Toyota, 21 Nissan, 2018 Toyota, Kia, Mitsubishi, 2018 Toyota, 20 Toyota, 21 Nissan, 2015 Ford.
He doesn't have a Kia there? It's registered under him?
No. Does that mean there's two different cases for two different things if there's two FR suspensions?
Mm-hmm.
So that's 2022, and that's 9/8 of 25. That's probably for the insurance.
Probably, but he doesn't have this car under the insurance?
What I'm assuming is they probably just bought this car, and they didn't swap over insurance to this car.
You should have to show proof of insurance before you leave the lot.
Right. Oh, they also went to Palm Beach County. They also went to Palm Beach County about it. But she's suspended.
Okay. What's she suspended for?
A bunch of
You can give
stuff.
her a ticket all day. And the insurance is for owner or operator of the car. It falls into that.
So hers is suspended since July 7th of this year. Failure to pay traffic fine. Failure to pay traffic fine. Failure to pay another traffic fine. FR suspension, a case number on this, and then she has another suspension for violation resulting in death and or seriously bodily injury.
What was the traffic fine that she forgot to pay?
Oh,
Go
it's
down.
2 here.
Yep,
You
go
guys
down
did it.
on the citation dispositions. That's the same citation number? Nope.
Failure to obey steady red.
This is not proof of insurance.
It's not good issue.
No, this is not insurance. Who's responsible
This
to
Cloud sent me. Which family there? This Cloud sent me there.
Who's responsible to pay insurance?
Huh?
Can you just lower that so we can talk?
The volume. Thank you.
Who's responsible to pay your insurance?
My husband.
What insurance company do you have?
Yeah, you got insurance. It's not. I received that today.
Do you know what policy?
I
You
don't
know-
know. They have on the paper.
Toyota has it?
Yeah.
You're supposed to be responsible to have that in the car at all times.
But all the family together,
Okay. How often do you drive this car?
Huh?
How often do you drive this car?
Many ways.
Listen closely, this is the turning point most people miss. The officer is actually trying to help, asking for proof, giving options, even suggesting calling someone. This is what de-escalation looks like. But when someone feels overwhelmed, logic stops landing. You've probably felt that too. When stress hits, even simple solutions feel impossible. And that's the danger, because help only works if you're willing to accept it.
I can.
Okay. Is there any way you can provide proof of insurance?
Huh?
Can you provide us proof of insurance?
For this car?
Through the mobile app, online, or anything?
I don't know how to download.
All right, listen. I'm trying to help you out here. It's criminal offense for you not to have any insurance on your car. You understand that? Are you calling anybody? Or are you trying to look for the insurance?
Miss Paula, is your husband able to use like an email? Miss Paul, can you call your husband to see if he has the insurance on his phone?
All right, so call somebody to pick you up because you can't drive.
Your license is
You cannot
suspended,
drive.
Miss Paul.
What we do that? My house was sick.
No, ma'am, you have to get a ride.
Huh?
You have to get a ride. This vehicle has no insurance.
You can issue an NTA.
For what?
Huh?
The insurance?
Yeah.
The insurance. Do you have a printer on you? Is there a way?
My car?
I don't. My printer's not working. Do I email them to you?
Yeah. Microsoft PDF.
And email it to you. Okay. I'm gonna do the unknowingly on top of that. I'm gonna do 2 citations. No, it's gonna be charged. Miss Paul, is someone coming here to get you? Where are you on your way to? Home? Home? Okay. And is anybody home right now? Who? Is that a family member? Can they come get you? You're not going to be able to drive this vehicle, Miss Paul. Why? Because the vehicle has no insurance and you do not have a driver's license. You weren't able to produce that though. Would you like me to talk to your husband? But you have a suspended driver's license, Miss Paul. You can't operate this vehicle. I'm not doing anything to you. You were issued 2 citations from the city of Vero Beach, and you didn't pay those citations. Did you know that?
I stay here only
This is Vero Beach.
because I stay Vero Beach only.
No, you were given 2 citations from a city police department.
Okay. I don't go for somewhere.
Are you calling a family member, Miss Paul?
I'm calling you by myself.
Okay, Miss Paul. So I have 2 paperworks for you, okay? So I'm going to be issuing you a citation for your driver's license as unknowingly, okay? Unknowingly. The payment is $145. You paid that at the courthouse, okay? Your driver's license was suspended in July of 2025 for not paying the 2 citations issued to you from the city of Vero Beach. Did you pay those citations, Miss Paul? You did? How did you pay for them? How did you pay them online or did you go in the courthouse? You went to the courthouse? Did you get any receipts for them? Okay. So then on top of that, Miss Paul, which was the part that she signs at? Above my name. Okay. So I'm going to be giving you, this is your copy of the citation. Okay. This is failure to produce the insurance. Okay. So I'm going to show you on this one. You're going to sign this copy for me. There is a date that you will go to the...
Now the reality becomes unavoidable. The vehicle is getting towed, and the officer explains why: no insurance, suspended license. Notice something important: the officer stays consistent. No yelling, no emotional reaction. But on the other side, frustration starts turning into resistance. This is where ego quietly steps in. Because sometimes it's not about the situation anymore, it's about not wanting to feel powerless.
Courthouse, okay? And you have to provide to them insurance for this vehicle. How's your birthday?
It's not going too well for my birthday.
Okay. Well, you have to attend this court date. Okay, Miss Paul? There is no pay on this. You have to go to the courthouse and produce insurance. Okay? For this Kia. Thank you, Miss Paul. That's your copy. This is mine. Now, Miss Paul, this vehicle is going to be towed. Okay?
Understand that infraction is criminal. So in lieu of you going to jail, and handcuffs, you receive a notice to appear. You understand?
When people smoke, when people sell drugs,
Yes, but you getting a crash and you have no insurance is also a crime. You understand that? What is it? It doesn't matter. You have to have insurance.
I have insurance.
Okay.
Well, then you can go to the courthouse with the insurance on this date and provide that to them. So, Miss Paul, you're going to have to get out of the vehicle now, okay, ma'am? Okay?
Why?
Because this vehicle is not insured, and because it's not insured, we have to tow this vehicle.
Why you leave that to people?
I'm not, everybody gets the same treatment when they operate a vehicle with no insurance, ma'am.
Take me with it.
No, we're not taking you with it.
I can't walk.
You can walk, absolutely. You can't walk? You have arthritis? And how are you operating a vehicle? How are you operating a vehicle? Miss Paul, you have to get out of the vehicle, ma'am. What was that? He can take you home, or somebody can take you home.
I can carry my stuff. My stuff in the car.
Well, this is why I'm asking you to get somebody to come pick you up.
I called them guys. My house. The nurse was come get it to my house. Was there.
I cannot know. The vehicle is not insured.
Every time you've been too much to push me, okay? Every day you and not see you all time in my life. I will take you off in my life.
Okay, ma'am, I still need
That
you
$10 don't do nothing for me.
Okay, ma'am, I need you to get out of the car. You have to get out of the car. Would you like me to call somebody? I can call somebody to come get you. Miss Paul, I can call somebody for you if you like. She's not getting out of the car.
You need to get out of your car. Come out of your car, ma'am. It's unlawful order. You can be resisting arrest. Do you understand that?
I'm not going to refuse.
And here, everything collapses. One final instruction, step out of the car, a simple request. But instead of compliance, it turns into resistance. And once physical resistance begins, the outcome is almost guaranteed. Look, no one plans to get arrested like this. It happens in seconds. One decision, one refusal, and suddenly a traffic stop becomes something much bigger than it ever needed to be.
Lag him. Lag him.
Do not do
Lag
that.
it at one. Lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Ouais, il va beaucoup de mélanger. Il va beaucoup de mélanger. Lag him. Lag him. Même temps, il n'était pas de food là-bas nous. Il n'était pas de food là-bas nous déjà. Il était feed nous déjà. Lag him. Il va lag him. Il était feed nous déjà. 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 Lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Stop. Stop. Lag him.
Stop.
Lag him.
Stop fighting.
Lag him.
Ma'am,
Lag
get on
him.
your back.
Lag him.
Ma'am.
Lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Umat lag him. Lag him. Lag him. Lag him.
Stop fighting.
Lag him no. Hindi lag him.
Stop.
Lag him.
Ma'am,
Lag him.
stop.
Lag him. What is the one? You break my arm. You break my arm.
Well, stop fighting.
Lag him.
Stop
You break
fighting.
my arm. Lag him.
Hold on.
What?
Let's just keep her there.
Lag him. Umat lag him. Lag him no me la fait mal. Let him the vaccine
Just try
fait
to get her
mal.
out of here.
Lag him.
She's kicking, scratching, and everything.
Lag him. La place.
Give me your other hand.
Lag him.
Just drag her out.
Lag him.
You drag her feet out from under the car.
Lag him. What?
Hold on.
What's wrong to your bum lag?
Get your hand out.
Lag him.
Get your hand out. Stop
Lag him.
resisting.
Lag him. Lag him. What lag him?
You go.
Lag him.
All right.
Lag him no.
Stop resisting.
Lag him. Lag him.
Stop scratching me.
Lag him. What pays him too? What pays him? Lag him. What lag him?
Tell everybody they can slow down. Sorry, sir. I didn't know what you said.
Okay. Puede me hacer mal.
Come on.
Okay.
Hold on. Let me get your milk now.
Okay. Okay.
Stand up.
Lag him, lag him, lag him.
Good?
Lag him.
Got it? Yeah, I got her.
Come on, lag him. Lag him.
Which car is she going? I don't know.
Whoever put me in this thing, I don't know when anyone told me to go to what. When
search
anyone
warrant?
told me to go to what, I don't know. Why you use me with
Calm
a
down.
sign?
Calm down.
Lag him when me. Lag him when me. Step. Lag him when me.
Watch your head. Step in the car, man.
I kidnapped it. I've been in an accident.
I am telling you, step in the car. I'm putting you in.
Ma'am, you're under arrest. Do not resist.
I kidnapped it.
Now sit down.
Okay.
Sit up straight.
Thank you.
Sit up straight.
I can't.
There you go.